Hi. Kind of late at night, but guess what? We're going to do a VR. VR for a nice channel. Come on, I'll see you over there in a second. Hi guys, Will, just in time prepping. Hey, I'm going to do a quick VR here for Handi Camper. He's having a giveaway and he wants a lot of people to go over there and enter his giveaway. He really is a nice guy. I've been over and I've checked his channel out. He does a little bit of everything, camping, fishing, uh, does a little bit of everything. He even has a session where he goes in and plays his guitar and stuff, but it gets a little crazy when he does that, you know. So, Camper, excuse me, can't get my words to come out right because I'm doing this late at night, and I'm kind of watching the news up here about Venezuela. So we have it a whole lot better than those guys over there in Venezuela right now. They are in a world hurt, but this is not about those guys. It's about Handi Camper, and he's a nice guy. I want all you guys uh, go over there and check him out for me. If you're not having him on your subscription subscription list, go ahead and put it on your subscription list because he does a little bit of everything. Like I said, he goes camping and fishing and all that stuff, but he also just goes out cruising around the countryside too. And then he gets down in his basement and he starts picking on his guitar. And a lot of times, before he even picks on the guitar, he just sits around and talks to you folks. So that's the kind of guy I kind of like to hang out with. So you know how I am. I like to network with guys that want to network back. So it sounds like this guy here is definitely going to be the one. See, while I've still got you out here, you know what? I would appreciate it if you guys would go over and check out Cheryl Hirsch DIY. She has a channel as well, and she's needing to grow a little bit as well. So go over check out Handi Camper. He's got a giveaway for sure. And then go over and check out Cheryl Hirsch. And you'll not be sorry. Cheryl is a super duper supporter of mine, so she's growing. She needs a little help. Guys, get over there and help her out. Excuse me, I'm getting ready for bed, so my voice is kind of not working too well. But anyway, you guys know it's gonna be the live stream on Saturday for me, and we're gonna give away a cap light, one of those clip-on ones. It does all kinds of nice little things. It's made by Mossy Oak, so it is pretty cool. It's got white, pink for, want to go into a grow room or something like that. And then it has a flashing light as well. So it's kind of a fancy little thing. It's camouflage color. And that's what's going to be in the giveaway for Saturday night. So you want to make sure that you show up if you're on the list, and then bring some of your friends over too so they can kind of see the kind of fun that we have in there when we spin the wheel and stuff, and get them to come and sign up on Wednesdays as well. Anyway, it sounds like a pretty good time. Anyway, it's about as far as I want to get into a VR. I do want you guys to go over and check out Handi Camper because he is having a giveaway. If you go over there and subscribe to him, you're entered in. Tell him you're in. Tell those guys I sent you over there, as a matter of fact. And then if you want to do a VR, he'll give you 3, maybe 4 extra chances to win. So I think you get 4 or 5 chances if you do a VR. That's kind of cool. So, oh yeah, I should tell you guys, about 300 more subscribers at my end, be able to do my giveaway, my 2,500 giveaway. So if you guys know anybody that's not subscribed to us, send them over my way too. You know what it is. Sharing is caring. Okay, you guys, that's it for now. You guys know I love you to death. You guys are my extended family. As usual, God bless you. God bless me. God bless USA. Till next time, thanks for watching, and I'm going to go watch some more of that Venezuela stuff. Night.